Hello everybody, this is the Hack Insider, and Electra has received another beta update. This one is 11-3, and it improves the success rate of the jailbreak, which is awesome. And the installation of this jailbreak beta is the same as all the other betas. I'll leave a tab in the top right corner so that you guys can install it and watch the video on how to install it. But there were some tweaks that I wanted to go over from Coolstar really quick, and this is the first one. He shows that he has Cydia working on his iPhone X with all the original kind of tweaks and everything from the Big Boss icon set and the others. And then there's another tweet that he released, and he talks about how if you have the iPhone 10, Cydia is going to have those big black bars at the top and bottom. And he's probably not going to adjust them on the first release of Cydia just because he's a little nervous that it can mess with some things. And then he had one more tweet, and this one's really interesting. He just tweeted out a date, and that is February 15th, 2018. And everybody's speculating this is the date that he'll release Cydia for the Electra Jailbreak, and I would agree with them. So it looks like we're going to be seeing the jailbreak soon, which is great, in just 2 days. And so that's something to look forward to. If any of you guys have tweaks running on your device that you installed via Deb, I would uninstall all of those tweaks or themes or anything like that using Filza, and then get rid of all those things so that your device will be clean and ready to install the first iteration of Electra after the betas. And that's pretty much all I have for you today. So like and subscribe, and just leave any comments if you want any help. Thank you.